What's up, aggressive gang? What's poppin' lacking? Hey, what's happening? Oh, you thought you was not gonna get one today, Frost? Jack, you think I would miss one day? BBN, what network?
Help,
What network, man? What network? Where can I buy some merch? Teesprings? That's where everybody make merch. It's cool though. I ain't tripping. But show me a network. Let us get inside 2 minutes, y'all. Aggressive gang, let's get inside this 2 minutes. Hey, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna go up, watch. I'm gonna go up. It ain't just for talking about Frost. It ain't just for talking about Frost, because there's a lot of you Frost out here. Get inside these 2 minutes, man. Because I want to speak freely. I just hit that groove button on Jack. I had the groove on this one. Like, bro. You tearing your own platform down, bro. You can't operate correctly over there, sir? You haven't upgraded your computer in 3 years? Damn. Time for upgrade, Jack. Get you one. Work off your phone, man. Work off your phone. They got apps and shit. You can do video editing and all that, Jack. You just got to put some time into it, bro. I'm here to get you right, Jack. I'm here to get you right, Jack. You got to come correct over here, man. Look, watch. All these people subscribing, the day one subscribers. Wait till I get this motherfucker monetized. Y'all gonna be clicking on. Hey, Jack Frost, BBN, what network? Look, man, I was looking into it. I think once I get rocking and rolling, I'm gonna look into buying BBN LLC. Yeah, I can buy it, right? Yeah. I mean, if it's viable, I'm gonna have to look into that. You got people want to pay, make a movie, but quiet on the other end. You see, I do it right now for free. I'll work my way up, grassroots. I'll come through the gutters of these YouTube streets, but I'm gonna last, watch. I bet you that. Because I'm from the hood, I'm still in the hood, and I'm gonna stay hood. Ain't about YouTube, man. This is who we come here to watch. It's about who you watch. Not about who you like. You watch people you don't like. Shut up, Frost. You don't like me. Did you watch me? You watch me? Hey, I'll be wanting to come on here and get blow with y'all. But I know I'm coming at Frost. He gonna be flagging me. So I don't know if I'm able to do that. But by God, it's fucking legal in what, half the country already? Come on, man. Frost, let me give you another pointer of the day, sir. These are going to be Frost facts for the day. You're killing your own YouTube channel, bro. You're killing your own YouTube channel. YouTube sees when you boot people. YouTube sees how many times you boot people. You won't let people have a regular conversation in your chat, man. You just won't. I don't understand what it is, bro. Like, are you that far gone? Do you don't know what level of reality is? Are you that far above it? Or because you said that you tell people the future all the time. You just tell people the news, man. All these news reporters are half wrong, bro. They just spit. Y'all believe it. So it makes them half right. And then sometimes they're correct on what they say. Woo! You told the future. Keep up with the charades, Jack. They won't get you far. Especially when you say, no, it's not made for children. Your video's not made for children. Don't act like a child, bro. You're a grown man up in this piece. All you got to do is look at your other videos, compare your videos now. You could see this digression, my man. Why can't you see it, Jack? And let me make this perfectly clear, Mr. Frost. I don't know nobody up on these YouTube streets. So I don't know Willie. I don't know Just. I don't know anybody. Okay? I don't know nobody. So I don't do what other people do. I do what I want to do. Because that's who I am. If there's other people in that lane, then you see them, of course. But I do what I want to do, Mr. Frost. Why don't you do what you need to do and keep your show running? Right? Isn't that what the people pay to see? Keep your show running, bro. And hey, keep subscribing up, y'all. I'm not here to come and take Jack's anything from that man. He can do as he pleases daily. He can also be criticized daily too. Because I'm not doing nothing to harm the man. I'm not in his personal beefs. Like that Just 2.0 shit, what he said. I don't got nothing to do with that. It's none of my business on where that man lives, how he lives there. I'm talking about what he gives y'all. What he does for his fans. What is he doing? You don't see the miscalculation here? Anybody? Or y'all just going to keep giving to this man? And hey, salute to all my people that's coming off them drugs, getting off drugs, decided to say, hey, it's my last day. All my people that are on drugs, trying to get off drugs and know how hard it is. All my people that don't do drugs, never did drugs in their life, peace and salute to you. We all are somebody. Believe that. And if I come here with a message to give anybody, I give it to an addict. Because I think somebody addicted to something that didn't know how fully bad it was and then got addicted to it, it's pretty rough and pretty hard for people. So no, I'm not an addict myself, but back in the day I was. But that's neither here nor there, but we can talk about it later sometime. But I'm here for that. If that's anything about my message here, YouTube, it's that. I got to give it up to the people that struggle daily, whether it's drugs, whether it's sex, whether it's social media. Somebody is addicted to everything. Somebody is addicted to something. I don't care what it is. We all have crutches. We are all human beings. So that's my message, if anything, is to see people succeed. I am proof you can succeed. It's not hard. It's mind over matter. But Jack, you do people wrong when you don't give them a voice. You invite them in to speak because I think you'll donate early. But if they actually wait, you don't get any donations at all. People start to see the buffoonery, the fluckery, the flannery, the rigmarole. I know you hate me, Jack, but I'm not going nowhere pimping. I'm here to stay. I think you're just in my way. The whole shit with Will Smith, bro, you call that staged but not fake? Or hold on. How do you fucking get it? Hold on. You think it's not fake, but staged. Yeah, that's what you say. It's staged, but it's not fake. Anything staged is fake, Jack. Anything. If it's staged, it's fake. It's not from the heart. Do you understand what real and fake is? Let's start there, Jack. Let's start with what real and fake is. Tomorrow, we'll go over shapes and colors. After that, you might learn cursive. Until then, y'all like it. Hit that subscribe button. Come join the aggressive gang over here. I'm not going away, and this ain't the only fool I'm going to talk about either. Because this dude here, he's a somebody to somebody, just not me.